how I promote Clickbank products free, easy, and with high quality traffic. So before we get into today's content, just wanted to give you guys a little bit of update on my story and my international travels. I'm here in Bali, Indonesia. I won't be outside too long, and I'll get to my computer here in a second because it's blazing hot and I'm going to start sweating. Watch, I'll start getting a sweat mustache right here. So, but what I wanted to say was it's May 29th, and let's see, yesterday was Memorial Day, so happy Memorial Day in the United States. I did MRF, which is a workout dedicated to a Navy SEAL who died and got the Medal of Honor. He died in 2013, and it was a 1-mile run, 100 pull-ups, 200 push-ups, 300 air squats, and my hands are tore up. Okay, and let's see, I have about 3 more weeks in Bali, then back to the United States for like 2 months or so, and then in the fall, we're going to South America for, I hope, like 3 months or something like that. Right now we're thinking Costa Rica, maybe Guatemala, maybe Colombia. If you have any suggestions, maybe drop it in the comments. So yeah, that's just a quick update on where I am and what I am doing. You're probably, coming to this video because you want a little bit of help in your affiliate marketing and Clickbank business. So I'm going to show you some, exactly how I choose and promote Clickbank products, and it works wonderfully every single time, and you guys can literally swipe this method and start implementing it into your business today. And so that's what's pretty exciting about it. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button because I post consistently and I give content like this all the time. This channel is also about building a life of freedom and fulfillment, and so that you can spend more time with the people that you love and doing the things that you love most, like me, traveling the world. And I've been gone, let's see, I've been traveling the world now for 5 months. I was in Thailand for 3.5 months, been in Bali for almost a month and a half, so it's been a phenomenal ride. And my goal is to teach you guys everything I know so that you can duplicate my success and do whatever it is you want in your life and in business, all right? So have your dream lifestyle in business too. All right, let's go ahead to my computer and let's get to it. And we're back. Sorry guys, I'm in my gym wear and I just didn't really care about showering and putting on new clothes before I made this video because this content has to get delivered no matter what, all right? So in discussion about how I promote my Clickbank products, I'm gonna give you guys something right now that not many people tell you, that is, this information alone is going to help you right away today with marketing your Clickbank products. So here's the #1 secret to marketing Clickbank products, really, besides picking a profitable offer, sales funnels, all that crap. So you need to pick a freaking profitable niche, all right? And here's what they are. The 3 most dominant niches that are gonna be around forever and that are not going anywhere and that are gonna make you and a lot of people a lot of money are health, wealth, and relationships. Again, I repeat, health, wealth, and relationships. So if you pick a Clickbank product around one of those 3 things, you're in good shape. Okay, not to bash the other niches, because I believe you can make money out of any niche that Clickbank offers, whether it's arts and entertainment, finance, travel, outdoors, whatever it is. But you need to start with a niche that's going to make you money first, so that way when you're ready you can move on and create another Clickbank affiliate marketing business and start marketing those products that you really like, if health, wealth, and relationships isn't like your favorite. All right, just start with one of those and see what you can do from there. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch my screen and give you guys some really, really great tips. So keep watching. All right, so we're at clickbank.com. Obvious thing to do first, go ahead and create an account. It's super easy. It takes about a minute or 2, so I'm not gonna do it. You just fill out really easy information for Clickbank to know. And just so you know, you're in good hands because Clickbank has been around for 2 decades. They do billions and billions of dollars online in sales, so they are a trusted company. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, oh, this is from an old lesson I had, but the first thing you want to do is choose a profitable offer, of course, in the 3 most profitable niches. Okay, this is just what I talked about. So health, wealth, and relationships. You want to know why these are the most profitable niches is because they are a pain point for people forever and ever. People are going to have issues in these 3 categories until forever, until the world ends, and they're always going to need problems, or they're always going to need solutions to these problems. So you're going to pick a product. You're going to pick a product to solve peeps' problems. Yes, guys, this is it. This is the whole secret right here. Because after this, the technical stuff is easy. It's no harder than, Algebra 2 in high school or even geometry. It's not hard. So this is step number 1, choosing a profitable offer in the niches I talked about. So how do we do that? So let's go ahead and I'm going to do relationships because I haven't done an example in that for a while. So relationships. So you want to, of course, I like to sort by gravity. Oh, why isn't it giving me so sort by gravity, then go by average dollar per sale or whatever that metric is, and then average sale. Okay, and we'll go from there. So let's go to the affiliate marketplace, and we're going to look at relationships first. And I think, let's see, I think that there's some in self-help, dating guides, motivational, marriage and relationships. Boom. Okay, here we are. Let's go by gravity. And then I like to look for a gravity score. I like to look for one of at least 35, 40. I like to go for over 50 because the higher it is and the closer it is to 100, the better you know how well affiliates are doing with making sales on this product. So that is what I recommend. So let's look at this one right here. Let's look at first the sales page, and then we're going to look at the affiliate page. So what does the sales page look like?
Hi, my name is James, and just 90 seconds from now, I'm going to let you in on something every man is secretly obsessed with. It's something he craves, more to make the man of your choice feel a burning desire for you that's so powerful that you'll literally become the most important person in his life. The person he thinks...
All right, this video sales letter is targeting single women and women that have that pain of not being able to find a partner. So a man in their life, a boyfriend, a husband, so they're ready to, to date, and maybe they've had bad luck in dating recently. So this video is targeting women who have not had much success lately in dating. So that's basically what it's about. When I go to this is called hissecretobsession.com. When I go to the website, I scroll down to what this product is really about. And when you look at it, it's basically a tool for women that is going to tell you the phrases and words and signals to say to attract a man and how to have them stick in your life. So like right here it says, I reveal the most powerful words, phrases, and signals that I've discovered and show you exactly how to use them in your own authentic way to spark the romance you crave as soon as tonight. So that's a pretty powerful statement right there. After learning and practicing these signals, you notice an immediate difference, blah, 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 blah. So, if I'm a single girl and I've been having multiple, failed relationships and I'm just trying desperately to, find the one and to find a steady boyfriend, this product is something that could be for me. So now what do you do to attract people to buy this product? Oh wait, first let's go back to on the affiliate page. So I opened it up in a new tab, and this is the affiliate page. And what I want to make sure is that they have really good affiliate resources. And just looking here, it looks like they do. They have email swipes, so that is a great sign. They have banner ads. So if you want to do banner ads and different type of paid advertising, then you will have the tools from this affiliate program. And right here they talk about kind of the affiliate commissions and the structure, which is perfect, so it's clear on exactly what you get. They talk about their upsells 1, 2, and 3, and their downsells. So that's pretty cool. You have a lot of opportunity to make money. So this talks about what is his secret obsession. So let's look at this, because we'll be able to get some keyword ideas from this paragraph right here. So his secret obsession is a breakthrough program written by relationship expert James Bauer, based over 12 years worth of research and experience, shows women how to tap into a powerful, lifelong desire all men share and harness it to transform the way men experience them. This desire is half emotional need, half biological drive, and is rarely satisfied in life or love. All right. So once women know how to satisfy the secret obsession, she will become a man's highest priority for life. This program is already getting incredible results for women in all walks across the world, but we need your help to get the word out about it. All right, cool. So look at all these affiliate program tools. That is a really good affiliate resource guide right here. I would definitely promote this type of product if I were building up a brand and an affiliate marketing business in the relationship niche. So of course, what you're going to do is you're going to want to build a YouTube channel around relationships. So maybe if you're a business relationship coach, if you're a marriage counselor, whatever it is, you are going to want to build a channel. Let's see what the top channels are for relationships. Well, there's all kind of, that's too broad of, that's not, okay, relationship advice for women. Yeah. Okay. So basically you would want to make a channel with content like this. So this content right here, I don't know if her whole channel is based on, relationships and stuff, but it might not be, but just stuff like this. Relationship advice for women, how to have the perfect relationships, 3 biggest mistakes women make in relationships. So what you need to do is take all of these keywords, and so do keyword research on Google. I'm sorry, on keyword research, SEO, YouTube, and recreate video content around these keywords. Do this 3 to 5 times per week or more, all right, on your YouTube channel. Because you are going to get high quality leads, women that are seeking this product straight to your channel without any effort if you keep consistent with this method right here. So you're going to go ahead and make videos on where to go. Oh, relationship advice for women, because there's tons of keywords. So let's see what else YouTube is telling us that we need to do. So relationship advice for women from men. Okay, that's a good one. Relationship advice for women in their 20s. TED Talk, relationship advice for women Christian. All right, so I would take and make a note and make a document and list all these keywords. Also take keywords from these top videos on the first page and just recreate it in your own flavor and make content out of it. Let's go ahead and put in the rest of step 4. So create a YouTube channel around this niche, of course. Okay? And it's literally that simple. That is what I do every single day to market my affiliate marketing products and to market Clickbank products, all right? All right, I hope this video was helpful to you guys. I just shared with you the top 3 most profitable niches forever in life, and most people do not share that, so that information alone is worth lots of money. So if you got any value from this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please give me please give me feedback in the comments and let me know what you would like to see next, or if you have any questions about this video. Also, if you guys are interested, I have a ton of resources, including a free video training series on exactly this topic, how to generate more traffic to your online business, and everything that I covered from beginning to end on today's video. Also, I have a paid affiliate marketing course which goes into all of this in depth, including a full tube traffic domination section, which goes over YouTube marketing and what you will need to succeed in YouTube and create a ton of leads and sales in your business. I also, for the real serious people, offer one-on-one coaching, and that is application based. And all those links will be in the description if you guys are interested in more. So what I want you guys to do now is go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And of course, have an amazing day wherever you are. And I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video.